Hi, today let me show you how to delete an Excel worksheet using VBA. The command to do this is just this line. Notice, we are asked whether we really want to delete the worksheet. In many cases, you won't want this message to be displayed. For instance, when you analyze data and need a temporary worksheet for some calculations, and this sheet is deleted just after delivering some intermediary results, then you typically want to suppress the message box that just appeared. To do so, we can flank our previous line with two additional lines of code. First, we turn the so-called DisplayAlerts to false, and afterwards, we switch the alerts back on again. Let's run the modified code. As intended, the worksheet has been deleted without displaying the warning. Next, in many cases, we may not be entirely sure if the sheet we want to delete really exists. To avoid runtime errors, we can adjust the error handling. Here, we tell VBA to silently ignore runtime errors, which would be the case if the sheet didn't exist and we attempted to delete it. But it's important to re-enable the regular error handling mode right after we've passed the problematic code section. We do this by writing on error go to 0. Now, let's return to the warning message box we saw earlier. I mentioned that often you need to prevent the alert from appearing, but in other situations, the warning message can be crucial. And maybe you want to replace the standard alert with your own text and icon. If so, you can suppress the built-in alert as we did before, and instead show your own message box. We simply place an if statement utilizing a yes/no message box around the previous code. Here's how it looks. I think this is enough for today. Thank you for watching.